Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Sephora account. Now, Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label Sephora collection, and includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to create a Sephora account. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice. And once you do that, locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type sephora.com, and that's going to take you right into this fantastic window. Now, from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the sign in for free shipping. So click on that. Now it's going to take you here. So you can sign in or you can create an account. So go ahead and click on create an account. So now you have this. So enter your email address. So enter the email address that you want to use to create your product, or you want to use to create your account rather. So let's say this is the email address I want to use. So go ahead and click on the continue button. So now you have this. Enter your first name, enter your last name, and then a password. Go ahead and create a 6 to 12 character password. Enter your phone number. You can choose to sign me up for Sephora Marketing Text Alert. Enter your birthday to receive a free gift every year, and then zip postal code, which is definitely optional. Go ahead and check this box to keep you signing and click on join now. Now, once you click on join now, you're going to see that your Sephora account will be successfully created. So this is pretty much how you can create a Sephora account. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.